Hello guys and welcome to unit 4, which is database. Okay, that's the name of our unit, and we need to take into account that besides the vocabulary we're gonna learn some grammatical structure. Okay, so today we need to talk about polite requests. What is a polite request? Is when we ask people to do different things, such a favor. Okay, and we can classify them into formal and informal. So today let's pay attention to different phrases, okay? And for that reason we need to watch the following videos, and then we're gonna discuss the situation, okay? Pay attention to the phrases and pay attention to the way that is structured the grammar, okay? So let's pay attention to Batman the Dark Knight, and this is the situation. Obviously when there's a chaotic emergency, something is happening, and let's check what is the person saying. Okay,
Sir, could you help, please?
okay, the situation is that a nurse or probably a doctor is looking at the policeman, okay, and she's saying, sir, could you help please? Okay, what is the grammatical structure here? Could you? Okay, that is a polite request, and she's asking for help. But look at the structure. First of all, she's using sir, which is something completely formal. Okay, it's like say Mr. Okay, but here um, it's completely used by the British, and probably it's adapted to the Americans because they have been conquered by them, right? So first they are identifying the person. Second, they are using the grammatical structure, which is could you, and at the end is normally used please. Okay, so that's the situation, and she's asking for a favor. Okay, let's analyze the next video. Here we got in Pretty Little Liars. Okay, listen to the phrase, okay, and watch the video.
Can you explain this?
Normally when there's a situation, when there's something that is happening and it's not really ordinary, okay, what you need to take into account is to give an explanation. Okay, what is the grammatical structure here, and how is the a polite request? First of all, you're using can. Okay, so in the previous one it was using could. Normally we use can and could, but could is a little bit more formal. Okay, can be considered as neutral. Okay, so then you need to identify the person. Here is you, and then you can use a verb. Here is explain. Okay, so imagine that you have a situation, and your friend, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, okay, is asking for an explanation. So she probably, or he probably will say, can you explain this? Okay, which is the situation that is happening. We don't really know what happened, but we are asking as a favor for clarifying the situation. Okay, next video. In the next video, you probably know this movie is related to Mission Impossible. Okay, and it's a little bit more polite. Listen to the video, listen to the conversation, check the video, and then we can discuss about it, right?
Do you care to explain yourself, Agent Brandt?
Okay, something is happening, and she's really formal. Okay, this girl is really formal because she's using would you care to explain yourself, Agent Brandt? Okay, so here would you is a little bit more, sometimes it's also considered as an invitation, right? But here is using as a polite request, as it could be neutral as well. However, would you, it's normally used as a formal. Okay, so this could be the one that is the strongest formal here. Okay, so what you need to take into account is that would you is a phrase. Okay, The rest, it could be the complement. Okay, would you care to explain? Again, they are using explain. Okay, and then the people. And here, it's completely formal the way that she's using. Basically, the movie is they are mixing American and British English, right? So that's why some of the characters are using it for asking different favors. Okay, so let's practice and let's clarify how's the grammar. We can use can, we can use could, we can use would, and obviously the next verb must be in infinitive. Okay, so let's check some examples. For example, could you help me please? Sure, that will be the answer. Okay, could, remember the pronunciation is could. Then with the same phrase we can use it in a different context. For example, please could you help me? No problem. Okay, analyze the answers, and the answers are neutral, they are not really formal. However, the polite request at the beginning, it's really formal, the way that you are asking for certain favor, right? Let's analyze the next one. Can you explain what a database is, please? And over there, it's more neutral. Check how could be the answer. I'm afraid I can. Okay. Normally, these phrases can be used in a positive way, but also you can reply it in a negative. Okay. So you said, "Could you help me, please?" Obviously, the positive will be sure. However, you can say, "No, I could." "No, I couldn't." All right. "No, I can." So take into account that these phrases can be used for asking, but also for replying, for saying yes or no, okay, in a positive or a negative way. If we can analyze other examples, for example, here we could say, "Please, can you explain what a database is?" "I'm sorry, I can't." Okay. In the next one, it says, "Would you explain that, please?" Would you? Listen to for the pronunciation. Would you? Okay. So over there, would you remember that is another way to ask for a favor, but in the strongest polite. Okay, it's more formal. So we can say that if we can get back a little bit, would will be formal, strongest formal, could semi-formal, and can as neutral. Okay, all of these phrases are followed by an infinitive verb. Okay. And then we have a listening practice. Okay, what I recommend you is to check this video again, and I will attach the audio. Okay, and what you have to do is to listen as much as you can, and then record your answers. Okay, so let's finish this first tutorial with this listening practice. Okay, listen, and then you have to do the activity. Okay, so let's listen to different phrases.
Unit 4, Recording 24. 1,
Could you help me, please?
2,
Please, could you help me?
3,
Would you help me with this software?
4,
Please, could you explain how to do that?
5,
Please, would you give me your password?
Okay, as you can notice here, all of them are polite requests. Okay, but let's classify them. The first one is semi-formal because it's using could. The second one as well, we're using a semi-formal. Okay, third one formal, completely formal. Fourth one semi-formal, and the fifth one is formal. Remember that can or can is used as a neutral. Okay, so today we're gonna stop there here, but you need to do the activity. What is the activity? Listen again these phrases and record yourself with mentioning the phrases. Okay, so try it and try it again till you get the intonation. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this first tutorial. Okay, and we're gonna continue with other tutorials related to different grammatical points. Thank you very much, guys, and bye bye.